Alright, what is going on, guys? We are on the job here. We are out at an office parking lot. I'm taking care of one of the vehicles, one of the customers that I see about every month or so. And I'm out here. I was just at Pep Boys, because they still exist, surprisingly. But I was just at Pep Boys, and I was picking up a glass cleaner just because I heard good things about it. Wanted to try something simple. But then I saw the ever so famous Meguiars Brite. Was that? Yeah, Brite wheel cleaner. It is a pH balanced, pH neutral product that's supposed to have the purpling effect that when you spray it on and it reacts to the brake dust, it counteracts and it turns purple. So real quick, before I talk too much, I want to go ahead and I want to spray. That way it can be. Can I get this? You guys want to buy me something for Christmas? Give me a tripod. That'd be great. And one more time. Oh yeah, we on that heavy lean right there. But yeah, so Meguiar's Brite wheel cleaner. Let's go ahead and let's shake it up as the bottle says. The bottle says that you should let it sit for a minute or so, and don't let it dry. So let's go ahead and spray. I did not rinse it down yet. You're not supposed to, but it is cool to the touch, so that's a good thing. Okay, so some good things and bad things about this product. I'm going to go ahead and talk in the camera and let it work. See, it's kind of starting to work at it. You can see that's how dirty it was, if you can see that right there. So first thing about this product is if you're familiar with Meguiar's Ultimate Wheel Cleaner, that's a gel consistency. This is not a gel. This is very liquidy. It's runny. It's going to fall off the wheel, which is okay because that means it's probably great on paint. And we'll do another video in the future about that. But it's probably going to fall off the wheel, which is it's running down. You can see it's kind of running down. I am not getting a purple effect. Although maybe we're doing something wrong here. Let's go ahead and just for the halibut, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the front wheel. It's much dirtier. Let's see what happens when we spray the front wheel. I do like the nozzle. It disperses a really solid amount of product. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit over there. I see it's starting to turn a bit purple. So I do like it so far, but I will say this, so this nozzle, it is leaking. It runs on me when I spray. Some falls out. I don't know if that's an issue with this specific product or if that's something that happens to this bottle in general. But as you can see, it is turning purple. There is a purpling effect going on here. So maybe the back wheel, that's just dirt. That's not really brake dust, although they're we got some purpling going on. So let's check out our original test subject. We don't have any purpling going on, so there's probably the fact that it's not much iron on there. I'm gonna go respray the first one. It has been a couple minutes. I got this weird awkward camera angle going on. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try to turn this thing on. We'll see the results. We'll see how it looks. Oh man, I need a tripod. Alright guys, we're gonna get it. Okay, so let's take you in to see the results. I don't know if you can tell, some of the dirt is gone, and it's kind of ran off on the floor, and there's a bit of purple on the floor, but what I figure with these products is they never ever get it 100%. So I'm going to go ahead and take you to the front wheel to see if maybe there's a much larger difference over there. Okay, let's try to set you over here. You're in the sun. You may be able to see, you may not be able. I'm going to spray it again. Okay, so that's been sitting for a bit. Let's take you in. Sorry I'm doing all this movement, but so you can see that's purple. I mean, that's getting the job done. It's being effective. Even inside the rotors inside there, they're all purple and whatnot. So let's give it a go. Well, we're getting somewhere, but unfortunately, it doesn't pick up all the brake dust. I mean, if you look at it, it's better. Yeah, it's doing something. But honestly, these types of products, in my opinion, unless you have a ceramic coated wheel or you have some type of paint protection, paint film on it or something like that, they're really not effective in my book, unless I'm using it as a pre-treat on the paint surface. As a fallout for before I go and attack it with a clay bar. So that's when I find it effective. Do I like the product? Yes, I do. For wheels, I don't really like fallout removers. I really don't like wheel cleaners that are pH neutral. Honestly, save your money, save time, use a degreaser, use a non-acid wheel cleaner. Use even acid if you want. It's going to be much more effective if you know how to use it the right way. Because I'm still going to have to get inside them. Still have to clean the face of the wheels, the lug nuts, and inside the barrels. It's still going to be a lot of work to do. So, do I recommend Meguiar's Mirror Brite Wheel Cleaner? Yes, I do. It is still a great product. It is still effective, and it's still going to be a good product in your arsenal if used correctly for the right purposes. So, once again, my name is Bo Million from Million Reflections Luxury Automotive Detailing. At you with another review. Meguiar's Mirror Brite Wheel Cleaner. Get it and work with it. Give it a try. If you like it, great. If not, there's other products out there. So, once again, have a wonderful day and take care, guys.